Pretty happy with that number there that you can see. All right, so now we've got the boost controller turned on. The previous run we were only on 8.5 psi, so we jump up 4 psi, and that again is the advantage of not doing a street tune, getting it tuned properly by an expert who is familiar with the car and the ECU and can set everything up properly. So as you can see by the look on my face, I am damn happy with that run. 275 point something kilowatts is absolutely amazing. I didn't even really care what the number was. I didn't even really want or need any power, but we're still running a low boost setting. Everything's nice and safe, and we're making almost 300 kilowatts. We could have pressed